Now, what's that sound? Genre: realistic fiction. Essential question: what sounds can you hear? How are they made? We're going to read about two children who hunt for a sound. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. What's that sound? Asked Gilbert. It started early this morning. I thought it might stop, but it hasn't. Let's check out the garage, said Marta. I think Dad is making the sound. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. Zing, zing, zing. Dad was in the garage cutting a board with his saw. Zing, zing, zing. This is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is smoother. Let's find Gramps, said Marta. He might be making the sound. They quickly ran to the back of the house to find Gramps. Gramps was sweeping the deck with a broom. Swish, swish, swish. No, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is much softer. Swish, swish, swish. Let's find Anna instead, said Marta. Maybe she's making the sound. They found Anna in the driveway. Anna was bouncing a ball. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. No, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is slower. This is hopeless, sighed Marta. Bam, zing, swish. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. There it is again, said Gilbert. He looked up at the tallest tree. Suddenly he shouted, "Oh, wow! It's a bird!" "Look at the color on its head," cried Marta. "It's red, like a red crown." The bird scrambled up and down the tree. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. "It's a woodpecker pecking for bugs," said Gilbert. "Yes," said Marta, "and nothing else sounds like it. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat